How to upload HD video on Facebook. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, first of all, you need to make sure that the video that you are trying to upload is already in HD or high quality. Once you do that, keep in mind that when using Wi-Fi to upload videos to Facebook, Facebook will uh, automatically use the maximum quality possible, and it will upload the video in the highest quality. However, if you are using mobile data to upload videos to Facebook, then there is uh, an option that you need to turn off while uploading videos to allow Facebook to use the maximum data possible. So go ahead and open up your settings and then search for data saver and click on it. Now, what you need to do is you need to turn off this data saver feature at least while you are uploading videos to allow Facebook to use the maximum data in order to upload the video in the maximum quality. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can upload videos in the highest quality or in HD on Facebook. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.